Good morning, everybody. Can you guys hear me? Okay. Just let me know in the chat if you guys can hear me loud enough, so we can get started here. Good morning, guys. All right, you guys can hear me good. Okay, perfect. So once again, guys, sorry for the delay this morning. A little under the weather today, so overslept a little bit, and I had to take care of something. So I apologize about that. So thank you all for being patient with me today. Appreciate it. Okay. Okay. All right, everybody. We are rocking and rolling here. Let me check our handy dandy Forex factory this morning. So we have a little bit of news at 8:30, but I don't think that's going to be anything crazy. So I don't think that's going to be anything crazy. So we should be good. We should be in the clear. US30. It just took off yesterday. It just flew yesterday. So congratulations to those of you who caught those buys. So many of you, which was so nice of you guys, sending me cash apps and my PayPal. Some of you had some nice wins, some nice wins. And showing that appreciation is pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for that. Just know that you guys don't have to do that. Obviously it's a great gesture, but I want you guys to be proud of yourselves. You guys put in the hard work, and you deserve it. Okay. It's not just about being on my live every day, listening to me ramble at times. It's the fact that you guys show up every day and put in the work, and it's showing. Okay, so congratulations to all of you guys that caught this beautiful move yesterday. Yesterday was just spectacular for US30. The analysis played out perfectly, and you guys did great. So give yourselves a pat on the back for that. Okay. Charlene brought the glasses out today. Yes, for those of you who don't know, your girl is blind as a bat. Blind as all blind can be. I can't see my hand in front of my face sometimes. So this morning my eyes were bugging me, so I did not put my contacts on. I am wearing my glasses today. So we're gonna get into our analysis in a second here. Oh, just a heads up, everybody. I completely forgot to mention this, but we will not have a live session this Friday. Again, we will not have a live session this Friday because that Friday is day 1 of my 3-day in-person class. So unfortunately for you guys, I won't be live, but fortunately for those who got into my in-person class, we're gonna be having fun that day. So just a heads up. So you guys are gonna have to put on your big girl panties and fend for yourself this Friday. Hi Charlene, which is best account one should open with HANKOTRADE? An ECN account. If you look at the description box of this video and all of my videos, I put that in the description box. ECN account. And now with the link in the description box with my link, you will get lower spreads and access to 1,000 leverage if you don't have it already. All right, so let's get into this analysis here. So last night I caught this setup last night. I closed out early this morning on this setup here. I actually thought we were going to get a retracement of some sorts before we did that, but we did not. We did not break that support and we kept going up, so moving quite nicely. Actually, hold on. No, this is the trade I took. My bad. It looks similar. This is the trade. This trade here. And I closed out like right around here, and then it consolidated, and then it pushed up a little more. Okay, so I'm going to what's up guys? Good morning, Zoom. Good morning. Give me that sweater, I love it. I got you, girl, I got you. Got you. You guys like this sweater I got on? It's cold. It's cold today. I don't know why. It was a little chilly yesterday, but it's cold today. It's the weather outside. It's 59 degrees outside. It is cold outside. Well, cold for Florida. I don't know about anywhere else. All right. Let's make some money, guys. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. I'm a fashion girly. I be peeping. You low key. Be fresh as AF all the time. I like all the time. Thank you. I'm actually not a fashion person. When you guys see me wearing like fly fits, somebody usually put it together for me. Sometimes, most of the time. So it depends, because we'll see. But yeah, glad you guys like the sweater. It is cold. It is cold. And my AC was rocking away, and it had me balled up in my bed and all that shit. So yeah. So anyway, let's get into this here. Let me do a fresh analysis here. Just to give you guys some insight on what's going on here. All right, so US30 is heavily bullish today, guys. Heavily bullish. We were consolidating at some points, but as you guys can see, we're not getting too much in the way of any major pullbacks. These pullbacks are very minimal, very minimal. As the higher up we go, the smaller they get. So that just goes to show that, when the market is pushing to a certain point like that, it's highly best to follow the trend. it's highly best to follow the trend. Okay, so let's see here. Let me go to the weekly since it's Wednesday. It is hump day, right? Smack in the middle of the week, kind of the halfway point here. So let's see. We are pushing on the weekly. Weekly left the bottom wick, not a big one, very small bottom wick, and it's pumping up here. Now we are approaching a weekly high, a previous weekly high where price rejected for, it looks like 1, 2, 3, almost 4 weeks. So almost a month, price has rejected this high here. Now this candle here, if you look how this candle closed, it's very important how candles close, how the previous candle closes at major zones. Okay, when you're approaching major areas of the market, don't just look at where price is then, look at where price was before, so you can get an idea of what the market might do. Because again, the market is always, you know, a creature of habit. It likes to do the same stuff over and over and over again. So when you reach a major weekly, which is a high time frame zone, you have to ask yourself, you know, the last time price was here, price rejected it a couple times. Even though it rejected it, it pushed past the zone, right? Wicked out, closed right at the top, created an area of resistance, same highs, right? If you look here, these wicks are just about the same. The wick highs never broke each other, okay? Now, then the market comes down, breaking the previous week's low as if it wants to continue bearish. And what does it do? It pushes up again and tries to break that high yet again. So you have to look at that. You have to say to yourself, look at how the candle formations last time before the market dropped. And then when it did drop, what did it do? It formed really nice structure to the downside. But also remember, the last time price was here, how long did it linger here before it finally said, okay, we can't break this high, we're going back the other way? It lingered here for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. It lingered at this high for 4 weeks before the market plummeted after that. So now we're back at this area again. Strong closure, not so strong closure. Strong closure, we don't know about this candle yet. Now it's Wednesday. We have 2 more days left of the week for this candle to finish forming to tell us, hey, what might this candle do? We already know we already left a bottom wick and we're trying to pump to the top here, but this candle is not that strong. I would have anticipated that this candle was a bit stronger, because usually around a Wednesday, you should see like a decent sized body candle. You know, it's a weekly candle for Christ's sake. So if you don't see much there, that doesn't give me much confidence. You know, I'm not thinking that, oh, Thursday and Friday, you know, we're gonna rock and roll and it's gonna fly and it's gonna leave us a nice big body candle. It could do that, but on a Wednesday, middle of the day, we'll see. We'll see how this today pans out, and that will probably give us an idea of how the rest of the week is going to go. All right, so based on this here, I'm seeing that we had rejection here. We have a weekly zone here. We have price closing bullish. Next candle tried to come down, left the wick, and now it's broken the weekly high, and we are pumping up here. In any case, should we break this high, I gotta look for the next major zone, right? The next major area that price could react from. Obviously, that major area is here. Okay, now that I see we have a high here, I'm seeing how many points away are we? We are 900 points away from that high. Perfect area. Okay, should price not break to the upside and we reject this area, I know that we have a nice little dip down to the bottom. Okay, so let's go down to the daily time frame. Okay, daily candles, I'm not really too much feeling, simply because the daily candles are not vibing, right? They're not very strong, big body momentum candles. They're kind of here and there. Like, this is nice, little, kind of nice, you know, that's wiki over here. So the structure is there, but you can tell that there was a little bit of struggle before the market decided to pump away. Okay, so I have this zone here where we have a previous area of resistance turn support there, and we have price trying to break the high to continue back bullish here. If we don't break this high, most likely we're probably going to come back down and probably going to do a little something like this today to see what happens, if we can break up or if we break down. Okay, so today the name of the game is patience. All right, it's about being patient. All right, so let's even out these lines here and see what we got. So I'm still bullish on US30. Not really looking at the sells at this point because we are, you know, we're so bullish. Okay, it doesn't really make sense to look for sells. Even though it would be nice if US30 could retrace. If it doesn't give us the confirmations for a retracement, then we need to continue looking for the buy continuations. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing we held support. We finally broke support. We broke resistance and we pumped up, because prior to this high, we had this high here. We broke, and look how price sat on that zone above it, creating wicks to the downside, telling me that price tried to go down, could not continue down, and then finally broke bullish. Okay, so we have a 4-hour high here. Now the last time price was here, what did price do? Price tapped into this zone and it just melted back down, retesting this zone here. I'm gonna mark off this zone here. Look at all the game I'm giving y'all today. Woo! When was the last time I gave y'all such a detailed breakdown? All right, so I'm seeing that we broke this high finally, right? Tested highs are broken and price is creating support. However, we don't have a bearish candle to confirm that support. So we don't know if price is going to be able to maintain these buys. We need a valid support to maintain buys. The last support was 232 points away. That's a decent push. Okay, so we need a support and a 4-hour support or a daily support. We don't have a daily support. We don't have a 4-hour support. Do we have a 1-hour support? Yes, we have a 1-hour support. Okay. So if we don't break this zone here to continue up here, I don't think we're going to continue, because we don't have a high time frame support to maintain price. Okay, this is our last area of major support here on the 1 hour. The 1 hour doesn't hold a candle to the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly, so on and so forth. Yes, it's a high time frame confirmation, but I would have more confidence in taking buys here if we had a 4-hour support rather than a 1-hour support. Okay, and even on this 1-hour support, we held this support for 1, 2, 3 hours before price broke bullish, continuing up here. Now we have 30 minutes left of this 4-hour candle. I'm not too confident that it's going to pump away and push past the zone. Could it do that? It can. Either way, it's best to just wait for a valid pullback to give us that confirmation to go ahead and take buys, continue buys. Now you guys know my trading style. I don't like taking buys at a high. I prefer for price to give me a low, because that's the smart thing to do. That's how you give yourself the best risk to reward. So if price is to continue bullish and start pumping away here, that's completely fine. Let it do that. Guess what? What goes up must come down. So we'll just wait on a potential pullback and take our setup at that point. All right, everybody. So we're gonna see here. It's 825. Let's see if price can reject this area here, and if it does give us that rejection, then maybe we can come back and get that pullback here. All right, so buy low, sell high. Exactly. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. Okay. As for gold, guys, I don't have too much in the way of a brand new analysis on gold. Gold took off bullish from this area yesterday, and it looks like we're trying to retrace at this point. What I would do here is I would I like a pullback here. I like gold to come bearish here. Even though we're still heavily bullish, we're about 200 points away from a pullback. If I was to break out a fib here, oops, swing lower, swing high. The pullback plays out nicely here for the 61 right here, and then to continue bullish there. Okay, so I would like to see price pull back. And can you get a decent trade out of that? Absolutely, absolutely. But if it doesn't, if we don't break support here, and we continue pumping here, then we might continue up here. This might be we might get just that just might be the only pullback that we get. So that's that too. But if we don't get another, you know, drop to the downside here to retest this area down here, then the game is to push bullish. But if you didn't get in these buys from here, it's kind of risky getting in them now, because you're approaching, you know, highs. You're taking buys at a high, which is not usually the best thing to do. So crazy how I have to analyze gold so much different from US30. Crazy. It's moving up here. It is moving up though, leaving areas of support. You look here, it's moving. We're holding, we're maintaining, you know. Boom, boom, boom. This is nice here. We can break this high here. Maybe get a push, pull back, enter, and then look for the continuation up from there. That would be a better buy than entering here, because you enter here, you're entering at this area of supply here. Price could easily retest that area and dip completely. So yeah, that's that. Okay. So yeah, let's see here. Oh, okay, we're rejecting it. Perfect. Let's see if we can get a closure below this area. If we can get a closure below that area, that would be great. And then maybe, I don't really want to take a sell today, and not in such a bullish market, but we are due for a pullback. So we will see today. We will see. We just won't hold ourselves very long. Why? Because the market is bullish. All right. So that's what we got today. Ah, boy. How's everybody doing today? Just out of curiosity, like, are you guys good today or what? Are you guys feeling good? Doing good? I hope so. I hope you guys are doing excellent today. What's this here? Doing good, doing good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The chat's been kind of quiet lately. I hope I didn't scare anybody off yesterday. Y'all been awfully quiet lately. So.
Nah, I be in the gym on these calls, so it's kind of loud, so I don't say nothing.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. You guys are making me a little nervous there. I'm gonna remove this support here because
I caught that entire push on gold yesterday. So.
Did you really? What?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking
when
about.
It was, yeah, on the lower time frame,
yeah.
When it started to like wake out at the bottom. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Very good, very good. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that.
My first 1K day yesterday.
First 1K day? Oh, congratulations. Congrats. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Congratulations, my guy. Plenty more where that came from. Plenty more. Look at that, guys. Look at how gold just dipped down here. See? That's why you don't take buys at a high. You wait, because the market just made a nice big push here. 8:30 market open. I'm guessing that's that news that dropped. That wannabe news. Wannabe news. Let me see. Yeah, that whatever that means. Preliminary GDP. Let's dip down here and then look at that spike. How long is that wick? 28 pip wick. 28 pip wick. Are we gonna break this high here? I think we are gonna break. I think we are gonna break. That's okay though. That's okay. We're going to be patient. But what I like about this move is this is a 8:30 candle. This is the 8:30 move. I wish it didn't look like this because it's waking up to the down, up and down. If we leave a rejection wick, then it might come back down. But if we don't, then it's left the bottom wick and we might continue up. So for the next 30 minutes. So how this candle closes is going to be quite important. So we're going to be patient and wait. That's all we can do. Know what I mean? Well, it's moving like a news candle, but as you can see, the news wasn't anything crazy. So, hey sis, your trading journey reminds me so much of myself. I'm a corrections officer in Michigan, trading 5 years now. I'm so close to being able to quit my job. Congrats on the new whip, by the way. Wow, that is awesome. Almost close to leaving their job. That's what I like to hear. I love it. I love it. Congratulations to you on almost leaving your job. And I gotta say, I love your name. Yaya is a beautiful name. Yaya Vlogging. That's a beautiful name, Yaya. Congratulations, my girl. We woke up to 3.7K profit, so it's a great start. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, and yes, and yes. I want to be Zoom chat. Gotta mute yourself on the Zoom.
You feel like more on the bottom of the space, right?
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Mute yourself, please, guys.
I can't think on the body right now in the space. I don't know how. Question is,
mute yourselves, guys. And then I'm saying mute, and they're not even doing it, which means they're not listening to the live. Mute, guys. Mute, mute, mute. Please. Wow, look at that. Beautiful rejection there. That's what I'm talking about. This would be an excellent sell here, but it's best to wait for this candle to close. Let it do its thing and see how the next one forms. Good morning, Charlene. And chat, feeling great. I love it. I love it. What time frame do you execute your trades on? All of them. Congratulations. It's my birthday. I'm lit. Let's get this W. Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Blessings on another year. I hope today is as wonderful as you are. Happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. It is 32 Celsius in Ghana. It is hot. Oh, I'm over here complaining about 50-degree weather. Some of y'all are in 30-degree weather. 25 in Chicago. Ouch. I recommend tea with ginger, cumin, and honey. Yeah, I have some tea. All right, we got some nice rejections here. I just don't like how high this wick is. This wick is very high because that if we were to take a short position here, guys, this wick would need to be our stop loss, and that's just too high for my liking. So I would have to manage my position here if I was to look to take a sell. Let me look at the higher time frames first. This 30-minute candle is giving me pause. It's giving me pause right now. I don't like how it's forming. It's indecisive, okay? When you see candles are forming like this, guys, just wait. Because you really don't know which way it's gonna go. You don't know, you don't have enough confirmation. We have our daily and our weekly high here. We have multiple rejections at that high already. So we have a couple confirmations already telling us that the market could sell off from this area. We have a big push, you know, to the upside here, telling us we're also due for a retracement as well. We have this support down here that was holding for a little while, but just because of how this candle is forming here, I don't like what I'm seeing. So because of that, I would prefer to wait. I prefer to wait. I don't think I'm gonna let the 30-minute candle close. I think I'm gonna see how the 15 minutes close to try to give myself the best risk to reward in this area. Waiting on a 30-minute candle closure could potentially mean missing the move, especially dealing with a pair like US30. It's really that simple. On gold, same thing. On AU, GU, GJ, EU, pairs like that, absolutely. Wait for your 30-minute entries. But on volatile pairs that move, pairs that a 5-minute candle could be like 50 points, I wouldn't play with that. I would not play with that. I think it's best to take entries on the lower time frames as much as possible, because you're going to give yourself the best sniper entries on those time frames as you would, on the bigger. If I wait on a 15-30 minute close, this thing could melt in that time, and then boom, I miss my move. You know what I'm saying? So now you kind of have to look at the smaller time frames. Now this thing wants to drop here, but I wanted to wait for that 5-minute candle to close. This one could easily reject as well. This could melt here, that's fine. Let it do its thing, because we just had news. We got to take it easy. So if we didn't have news, this would be a nice sell to enter on, but we had news, and this candle, I don't like this candle, so we're gonna wait a little bit here. I'm not in this trade before somebody asks. Okay. Ooh, yeah, look at gold. Giving us that sexy pullback. Go ahead, gold, you animal, you. Go ahead with your bad self. Can we get some more likes, guys? 265 likes. Can we get some more likes? Come on, 700 people on here. Really, guys? Come on. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's see if we can retrace. If this candle can pull back a little and retrace, maybe we can get an entry somewhere, maybe like around here. And then we can ride this baby on down. I don't think it's gonna continue all the way down there, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't. We'll see. Look at that. 50 pip drop, guys. That's why I say you guys have to look for entries on the lower time frames. Look what happened on the 30-minute. You wait on this candle to close, you missed your move. You missed it. 15-minute, you missed the move. 5-minute, you might have got in the move. Maybe here, maybe here. But you wait on these high time frame closures sometimes, you're gonna miss the boat. That ship is going to sail without you. It's going to sail without you. All right, beautiful. We're pulling back here nicely. This is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. Nice. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Oh. I don't think are we gonna reject all the way from there? Oh, we might. We might. What time is it? 8:42. We might pull back. Yes. Missed my entry. That was my entry there. That pullback was the entry I was looking for. Now my issue with this sell here is we've already dropped a decent amount here. I think we're still gonna drop some more. But you know what? I might just let the sells go and just wait for the buy continuation. I would rather take buys than sells. I really would, because we're so bullish right now, guys. We're so bullish. And I really like the buys more than the sells. The only problem with that is we're at this freaking monthly high. We're at a monthly high. I'm a little conflicted, guys. I'm a little conflicted. I'm a little bit conflicted here. 15 minutes left in this 4-hour candle. Let me look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks pretty clean. The 1 hour looks clean here. I really don't want to take a sell in a bullish market. I really don't. Even though this candle is giving me some pause right now. The way this candle is acting, the wick down and the wick up, guys, those are candles you stay away from. They really are, because you just don't know. That's why, yeah, so when you guys see me like on the fence like this, back and forth, that usually means I should just wait, because now I'm battling between what I need to do. In reality, sometimes what you need to do is just wait, because I really don't know what this candle wants to do. This candle could pump and take off, or it could turn around and melt, and I just don't feel comfortable entering on a candle that's doing that to me. I don't like getting in trades and feeling unsure about myself. I like to feel sure about my trade idea. You know, because you already have anxiety taking trades sometimes, right? Now couple that with taking it and not even really knowing what it's gonna do, where you're just kind of sure, might do this, might do that. That is a little concerning. So this candle here is being a bad baby. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. I just hope this thing doesn't just melt without me here. I feel like it's going to, though. See, guys, psychology is everything. Trading. You have two people on your shoulder. You have one here and one here. And one person is saying, take the trade, Charlene, take the trade. Come on, it's gonna sell, take it. And this person is saying, just wait. Just wait. You're gonna get your confirmation, just wait. And then I don't even want to take a sell here, because look at the stop loss. This is a shitty ass entry if I was to take a sell here. It really is. I'm so sorry. Y'all know me. I like my entries to be sexy. This entry is not sexy. This entry is far from sexy. I would need it to come back up here to give me a better trade. So we're gonna see. What's going on with the brokers? Anybody knows? I'm gonna drop a YouTube video next week on that, on all the broker situation that's going on. But us over here at Hanko, we chilling. We are chilling. You don't see us in no drama. You don't see us getting booted out of medicals. You see us just vibing over here. I had a nice call with Hanko yesterday. And boy, oh boy, are we chilling. We are vibing. So come on over to the Hanko family, guys. Link is in the description box. And I'm not even mad about missing these sells, guys, because I wasn't sure about it. You know, I wasn't sure about it. So when you're not sure, it's best to just sit on your hands. Sit on your hands and wait. Let the market come to you. Don't chase the market. Don't chase trades. You think you're missing the move, you're not. You're not missing anything at all. Just chill. Just chill. Yes, I just changed to HANKOTRADE because of you. Great decision, my girl. Great decision. Stop it. I hate when it does that.
looks.
Don't mind me, guys. I'm just over here waiting. How do you feel about Dominion markets? I haven't used them. I have never used them, so I don't have any opinion on them. I think you should give it a try. If you're thinking about it, you should definitely try it out. That's the best way to get the best review on something, is to try it out for yourself. That's the best way. Wow, look at how this 4-hour candle closed. I did not see this candle rejecting all the way down like that. Damn, I did not see that happening at all. Wow, this thing was all the way up here and it completely rejected hard. Rejected very hard. I gotta say, guys, I'm not liking how US30 is moving today. We had this ugly ass news candle here, and we had this big dip here, not too much in the way of entries here, and then we just dipped down. Now this move wicked all the way down here, and now it's trying to push up. These are not my entry confirmations at all. At all. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait until I see what I want to see. If not, it is what it is today. But I'm not liking what I'm seeing. I need to see more confirmations. I need to see more confirmations. Even though this was a news move here, like there's no confirmed entry here. This thing closed ugly like this. This candle just completely dropped. This would have been the entry here for the pullback, but look at how big this candle is compared to this. This is just ugly, ugly, ugly. And then this ugly ass one right down here, trying to do the same thing. I'm not feeling the price action on US30 at all today. I'm not feeling it. If this thing shoots up like this, that's gonna be wild. Cause what the hell? What kind of low is this that it just made here? Garbage low. Completely garbage low. Completely garbage low. Hmm. 400 likes, 765 watching. Ouch. We haven't done a giveaway in a while. Can you guys tell me why? Who could tell me why we haven't done any cash giveaways in a while? Any takers? Anyone? Anyone? Who could tell me why?
Because the likes are not matching up with the viewers.
Bingo. 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 Is this Friday NFP? Or is it next week? Let me see. Yep. Because the likes don't match the viewers. The higher up the viewers go, the higher up the likes should go. No likes, no giveaways. What's funny is the giveaways cost money. The likes don't. Watching this live don't cost money. The likes don't cost money. Oh, it's next week. It should have been this week though. It's the first Friday of every month. It should have been this week. It should have been Friday. And they have it next week. Why? 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 I don't know. All right, that's what I want to see. Get yourself down here. Stop playing musical chairs today. We don't have time for these games, US30. You gave me no entries up here. You made me miss this entire move because now you want to get yourself down here, right? Enough of these games. Enough already. And then now you want to come down here, but now we have 9:30 that's right around the corner. Not feeling today, guys. I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling the vibes on US30 today. I'm learning so much from your lives, and it's hard to find a clean chart US30 trader. Yeah. Because US30 is a son of a gun to analyze sometimes, you know. But when you come over to Charlene FX's teachings, you learn how to simplify things, you know. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Come on. Come down to my zone here. Come down. Keep coming. Keep going. $482 likes. We're what? 300 likes away? I think the people that liked it are the ones that took these sells. They're the ones that liked the stream. The one that took the US30 sells and the gold sells. Those are the ones that liked the stream. That's okay though. Damn, gold is ugly as hell too. Ugly. Oh my god. Markets look like straight caca today. Caca de caca. What's your advice on scalping US30 market open? Don't do it. That's my advice. Don't do it. It's not smart. You want to scalp the market at the bell and you get that whiplash? Good luck with that. I like as soon as I click on the live. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Look at that. Thank you. Appreciate it. I always slam the thumbs up button on every video I watch. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you guys, man. I really do.
Well, that could be a mantra right there. Basically, like when you start your live, you can put like a banner to say, hey guys, as you guys coming in, please smash that like button. That'd be sweet.
Yeah, I think I might add that in there. I think I will. For sure. Charlene, please tell us a story of the little boy that got shot in his ass while we wait for the setup. That's funny. I already told that story. I don't want to tell it again. Recently purchased your course. Looking forward to getting those wins. Congratulations, Eddie Hernandez, and welcome to the winning team. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the VIP team. If I could give you more than one like, I would. Aw, thank you. We love you, Charlene. I love you back. I love you back. Oh, Bear Bite is spamming the chat, so he's gonna get put on timeout. You guys want a news story? Yo, my cousin called me yesterday and she was like, yo, Charlene, you be snapping on your live sessions. She was like, it's giving podcast vibes. What do y'all think? Y'all think these live streams are like podcasts with the stories I be telling y'all on here? I'm just curious. It's giving podcast vibes. I'm like, oh, that's what's up. Any life lessons for the day? Yes, wait on your setup. Wait on your preferred setup. What is your recommendation? What is your recommended lot for a 200K prop account? That is a very open-ended question because that depends on your trading style. It depends on your trading style. If you are a scalper, well, how many pips are you catching? If you're a swing trader, how many points? What's your entry like? What are your entries? You know, what sessions do you trade? You know, all those things matter, guys. It's all a part of a trading plan. Get your trading plan down, and you'll answer that question. The best way to answer that question though is how many trades will it take you at a certain lot size before you blow your account? And if it's a lot of trades, then that's a good lot size. If it's not a lot of trades, then it's not a good lot size. Okay. The name of the game is longevity. Okay. You want to live to trade another day. Okay. You have 200K. In reality, you really have 20K. So how far can you go before you lose 20K, before you lose the account? Because you don't have 200K. Sorry to tell you, you have 20K before you lose the account. Blessed morning, boo. It is a blessed morning. Good morning, auntie. Good morning, good morning. Love it when my family members jump on my live sessions. Sometimes they call me afterwards to roast me on what I do on the lives and what I talk about. And sometimes we have fun. Love it, love it, love it. Don't forget to drop a like. I don't take your trades. I'm here for the vibes. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Love it, love it, love it. I understand everybody doesn't trade US30 and gold. I'm well aware of that, and I'm okay with that. So if you're here for the vibes, I'm here with you. So price has hit my zone here at this next next area of support that we have here on the 30 and the 1 hour zone here. We don't yet have a 4 hour support. I mentioned that earlier. So this could very well continue down here, or we could reject and go back up. I have a feeling we're probably going to continue down because we don't have a support that's going to be reacted from. There's not much reaction at this area. I would not be surprised if we continue bearish here. Either way, we have to wait for our confirmations, and that's what I'm waiting for. So please do not just blindly enter here because you see I put my zone there and you're like, oh, it hit the zone, take a buy. No, you have to wait to see what price does at your zone before you take an entry. Okay? Okay.
I'm gonna switch to HANKOTRADE because I'm having technical issues with trade lock right now.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade, and they just texted us saying they're having technical issues, and I don't even know if I can close out the trade right now.
Oh boy. Sorry to hear that. Did you try to close it out?
The app won't even load up. Like,
oh wow. Oh.
Yeah, it won't even load up. So, and they just texted us on the Discord saying they're having some issues and they're trying to fix it right now. But that's just crazy.
Oh.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna switch to HANKOTRADE. I can't do this.
Yeah.
I really can't, because then with Trade Locker, it's like they're always having issues every day. Like sometimes the chart doesn't show up. You gotta refresh your app just to see the chart. It's like it's too much. I mean, I like it, but it's just they got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, sometimes when you're in the beta phase of a new app or something, like sometimes it takes time for them to work out all the kinks. So that's probably what's happening right now. But that's unfortunate, man. I hope you're able to finally get out of the. I hope you're able to get out the trade, at least get out, so that you don't lose your account.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit up support and see if they can actually close it. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna see.
Yeah, it's worth a try. It's worth a try. It's worth a try.
Don't worry, I'll be switching to Hanko soon. You do that today.
Okay. So guys, it is 9:21. Price rejected my zone. It's pushing up bullish here. Who can tell me what the issue with entering now is? Who can tell me the one issue with taking entries right now? Let me see who's been paying attention to my lives. Who can tell me?
Stop loss is going to be too far.
Nope.
And 9 is coming soon, so you're going to have the roller coaster.
Nope. Stop loss is perfect where it's at. Stop loss is excellent. Nope.
Well, if you want to enter,
in a bullish trade, you want a wick to form first.
Nope.
So
Nope.
nope.
Nope. Nope. My girl Crystal got the answer. Crystal, what's coming here soon? The what? Opening
The
market.
whiplash is
The
Yes.
930.
Yes, the whiplash is coming. So sometimes, guys, it's not so much about just taking a trade at your entry with your confirmations. Sometimes you got to know where you are in the market. Where we are right now is market open. What happens at market open? The market gives us that whoosh, 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 that whiplash.
Sometimes you do enter before 8:30, before 9:30. So
not this close though.
That's exactly how I feel.
Not this close to 9:30 though. If it's like, let's say it's 9 o'clock, let's say it's 9:05, and I think I could get something out the move, or I feel like even with the 9:30 whiplash, my trade is safe, then I could do it. Remember, not every setup is the same. Not every rule is black and white. If it's 9:30, don't enter, period. What if I'm already in the trade? Do I want to close? Do I want to hold? What are the odds of my trade going in my favor versus going against me? Every trade is a case-by-case basis. So yeah, sometimes you will see me enter. But in a situation like this, when I already told you guys, hey, the market doesn't have a valid area of support on the high time frames. So 9:30 could hit, and this thing could do what? It could just melt on us. And then I go ahead and take a buy in here, and now I take a stupid loss when I know there's no valid area of support. 9:30 whiplash is coming, and we have tapped a major high, and we know, hey, there's a high chance the market could retrace and correct this entire move and come down. Forget about this support here. It could come on down and knock out this support here.
makes sense.
So case by case basis. Case by case. People say that all the time. Well, you did this last time, Charlene. Yeah, because the case was different. The trade idea was different then. This time, it isn't. Okay. So yeah, this would have been an excellent entry for a trade if it wasn't about to be 9:30. And I'm not afraid of the pullback that's going to be coming. Or whatever is going to be coming at that time. So it's unfortunate, and I notice that happens a lot on US30, but there's not too much I can do about it. I got to just take the good with the bad. And in this case, because I'm still waiting on confirmations, I don't have an issue not entering on a trade there. So that's that. Missed out on these because of news and the way the candles close. Missed out on here because what? It's about to be 9:30. So I don't know. We'll see. Today might be a no trade day for me today. We'll see. But we have plenty of time, plenty of movement that's going to happen here. I'm confident I'll find something here. Trade locker is back up. Somebody put in the chat, trade locker is back up. So I'll give you a trade to try. Try to close it out if you can or something. That way you don't take any crazy losses. I figured the other day how to give 2 likes, one on my phone and one on my wife's phone. Look at that. With the like plug right there. Love it, love it, love it.
Oh man, I came back in profit and gold. I'm still in the trade. Everything's good, y'all.
All right. We good. We Gucci. Love it, love it, love it. Gold looks like she wants to push up here. Ugly price action, but it looks like
I was stressing out just now.
Yeah. I'm very happy it came back up, so you're good. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, boy. we're at 900 people. Can we crack 1,000 today? I wonder. We might not, because I'm about to shut down the YouTube live in a minute. Swing on over to my private live. Gonna give it another few minutes here and then we'll see. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I'm pretty salty. I'm pretty salty about what US30 is doing to me today, because we could have been in and out of trades already a long time ago. Missing all these damn setups. Yeah, yay. Oh boy. When y'all look at these 5-minute candles on US30, when I tell y'all New York session is a different beast, you're literally missing moves on, it's like you gotta go down to the 1 minute, literally, on US30 in New York session. Do y'all see these 5-minute candles pumping away? This is crazy. These candles are big as hell today. Jeez. US30 said, play with it if you want to. I'm out of here. I need my moderator today because we have people that are just tripping in the chat today. Bye-bye, gold. Bye-bye. Get yourself up here. Go ahead and smack TP for us. Bye. Look at her go. Look at her go. Hurry up, 9:30. Sheesh. Get on my nerves. Both your trade ideas played out. Yeah, but I wasn't in any of them, so it's kind of bittersweet. But that's okay though. That builds discipline, guys. It builds discipline. It builds discipline. Look at that. US30 with the 930 whiplash. Let's go. What we got today, US30? What are we doing today? You gonna take it easy on us, or you gonna beat us like a runaway slave? What are we doing today? How many lashes you gonna give us today? T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's go. Woo! Look at that. Yikes. See, guys? That's why we wait. That's why we wait. What did I say? Right? We might come down because this support is trash. This was a trash area of support on the 4 hour. No support. Look at that. Yee. I want no parts of that there. No parts. Wow, we could have got entries up here too. I would have been out already though. Look at that, guys. Woof. Ugh, look at that. I want no parts of that. I don't know about y'all. I want no parts of what's happening right now on US30. Give me 1 second. I need to use a little ladies room. I will be right back.
God, this is CPI right there.
My bad. I was still muted. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this is why we wait, guys. This is why we wait. Now my analysis changes a little bit here because it looks like we may very well go bullish because we left this long rejection wick to the downside, rejecting this area of support and demand as well. This is wild. This is a wild setup. I don't like it. I'm not feeling it at all. I'm not feeling the vibes right now. I'm not feeling the vibes. Just gonna let this candle close in the next 5 minutes and see here. Or the next 1 minute, or 30 seconds, I should say. Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy movement, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This was a 79 point push. You can't get jiggy with it. I can't get jiggy with this shit. Oh my God, what's up with this candle? What is going on here? You know what? I'm not touching US30 right now. I'm not touching US30 right now. I'm gonna have to just wait. Because US30 is on one today. US30 woke up this morning and chose violence. US30 said, I wonder how many accounts I can blow today. You know what? This is what we're gonna do.
Gold is shooting up right now.
It is? What? Hey, there we go. What? Everything is on one today.
You know I'm in this.
Are you still in it? Are you still holding?
Yes.
Love it. Let's go. Look at gold doing the backhead bounce. What? Let's go. Let's go. I hope y'all are in these moves. I'm not in none of this. I hope you guys are in all these. Some of y'all were making money today. I don't care if I don't make money for the day, but I want some of y'all to be winning. So I hope some of y'all caught some of these moves here. Cause boy, oh boy. Oof. Guys. Guys, listen. US30 ain't it today. It's not giving no entry confirmations whatsoever. Guys, this is on the 5 minute. 5 minute, no entry. No entry. No entry. It's literally just whacking everywhere. It's not giving anything right now. This is wild. And I'm not looking at the 1 minute. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's not happening. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Today is going to be a no trade day for your girl. I'm going to go sit my butt in a corner and just relax for the day because I'm not feeling at all what I'm seeing on US30. It's not giving me any of my entry confirmations whatsoever. 930 just went all off the rails. US30 ain't it today. Ain't it today. No trade day for your girl. I'm just gonna chill today. I could take a hint, guys. I could take a hint. You know how if you really like somebody and you text them and they leave you on red? That's a hint. They're not interested. So what US30 is doing to me today is leaving me on red. It's telling me, hey, I don't want you to trade me today. I don't want you to touch me today. I don't want you to text me today. Don't ask me how my day was going. I don't care. Don't trade me today. So that's what's happening today. I would rather go a day and miss setups all day long than take a loss. I'd rather do that. I know y'all gonna make fun of me. Charlene, why do you play with your ears? Because I have a thing about my ears. I like to play with my ears. It says, Charlene, why are your earlobes so dark? Because I've been rubbing on them since I was 2. I have a thing about my ears. I love when they're wet. I love it when they're cold. I can turn my ear inside out. Yes, guys, I can turn my ear inside out. I'm like, what? I can. You know what? I'm gonna show it to the students that come to my in-person class this weekend. I'm like, Charlie, did you say you could turn your ear inside out? I sure did. You want to see? I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show them how to do it. Well, I don't think they're gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna show that. Should be cool. Sorry, Charlene, I can't buy you lunch today. It's okay. I still have the money from yesterday. I got money sitting in my Cash App from you guys sending me money yesterday. I haven't bought lunch with it yet. So, it's okay. Is my ear double jointed? I think so. I think so. I have a thing about my ears. My ear is like my sweet spot, you know? You want to get me to do anything for you, just rub on my ears. I love when I play with my ears. I like when people play with my ears. I would ask my boyfriends, can you play with my ears? Can I play with your ears? They'll look at me like weird, like, what's wrong with you? I just like playing with ears. Sometimes I get bored of my ears, or they get warm because I rub them too hard, so they get really hot. So now I gotta wait for them to cool off. It's pretty funny. Yes, guys, I'm a weirdo. Confirmed weirdo. It's okay. It's okay. Funny. I like the structure on the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks great for the sell to continue here. There's 15 minutes left in this 1 hour candle. This could close nicely here. It could be a nice little closure. This could very well continue down here, but US30, gold is the play today. Gold is definitely the play today. These are the breaks. These are the breaks. When will you do your second in-person class? It will actually be my third. This is my second ever in-person. My next in-person class will be either in March of next year or April of next year. I haven't decided yet, but either way, I will announce it beforehand. Charlene, a little weird or might be a little freak. I'm a little bit of both. Nothing wrong with a little ear rub love. Trying to tell y'all. Trying to tell you, that's best kept secret is your ears. I'm telling you. I don't know. I like to play with ears. If you ever walk by and you see me sitting somewhere and you see me rubbing on my ears, you know why. US30 is madness today. Happy I took your advice, sat on my hands. Yes. Yes. As an oil trader myself, you are now part of my mornings. Thank you for teaching me about Forex. God bless. Dr. Keith Sherrera. You're welcome, my doctor. You're welcome. Well, guys, it's been real. I'm going to swing on over to my private live here. Y'all be good. Today we had fun. No trade day for me. US30 was not my friend today, so it is what it is. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Tomorrow will be our last trading day for the week because Friday, like I said, I have my in-person class and I have to tend to my babies on that side. All right, guys. So y'all be good. I will see you guys mañana. Same time, same place. If you're interested in my course or you want to sign up with my broker, please see the description box of these videos. Other than that, I can be reached on Instagram at SimplefX. Please ignore the fakes. And that's all. As always, guys, it's your favorite female trader, FX. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.